for today's session is something which is very, very important, something which is very, very necessary, something which is very close to my heart. It is the attitude for gratitude. Alright? That's what we are going to talk about, discuss. And I'm so sure this session would be a very, very interactive session. And I'll be highly, highly thankful if each one of you speak out. Freedom of language is there, but we're going to speak out. Alright? So that's what we're going to do. This session has been specially designed for each one of you, for Team KNPS, to empower educators who inspire positivity. So we need lots of positivity in life. With things being so uncertain outside in the world, we need to be very, very positive. We need to make our lives wonderful. We need to make our life peaceful. We need to be happy individuals. We need to be happy human beings. We need to be happy teachers. So this session is specifically for you all. Thank you. Alright. Before we move ahead, there is so much for us to thank for. Alright? We can thank Lord for many, many things. We can thank our parents who brought us in this world. Alright? Otherwise, but yes, we are very, very thankful to our parents who brought us here. We are thankful to our kindergarten teachers in our school who have been teaching phonetics, and to all those teachers from whom we had studied. They were wonderful teachers. From kindergarten, we could move to grade 1, to grade 10 and 12 and so on, go to the college, pick up a degree of our choice. Grateful to them, to all the teachers. Alright? We are grateful to the world around. Everything is so good and nice. So lots of reasons to be grateful and express our gratitude. I think I should take you all to your own schools where we did a particular prayer. So now you will get up. Please do so.
सब दे गम Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life.
Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. What does it mean? You know, I start thanking God. Thank you, God. You've given me a wonderful body. I'm complete. Thank you, God. You've given me 2 strong legs. I can walk. You know, people are worried. I don't have the wonderful shoes I would like to have. But let's be thankful to God for the wonderful legs He has given us. There are people around this world who face challenges. So it gives fullness of life. Thank you, God. You gave us lovely parents, giving us fullness of life. Alright? We start thanking God. Thank you, God. There are fruit trees. We can eat fruits. Thank you, God. Wonderful sun which gives us energy. Thank you, God. I have a great friend. She lends her ears to me. God. So gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. We just see only that portion to which I am related. We do not see the fullness of life. Alright? That's what gratitude does. Gratitude comes from the word grateful. And grateful is nothing but thankful. Alright? That's from where gratitude comes. So moving on. Let's step back and reflect. Alright. Read this, please.
Are we truly thankful for what we have? How often do we appreciate our blessings? Let's embark on a gratitude journey together.
Thank you. So we're going to embark on a gratitude journey together today. Embark means we're going to start a gratitude journey. 2025 will be the year of gratitude. Thanking everybody who's there, part of this team, part of a family, part of the world around. We'll be talking about gratitude. Alright? With this we move on. So there's an activity, gratitude chain. What are you thankful for is what we're going to say. Alright? It could be anything. Thank God that I'm not wearing spectacles. I don't like specs. Alright? It could be anything. So now we're going to... Roti Kapra Makhan comes from PhD Economics.
I'm very thankful to my parents, to everyone, and I'm here.
Pass it on, pass it on.
Thank you for each and everything which I am having.
Thank you for the wonderful family I have.
I'm thankful because I need not to think when I am out of the house. I have people at my house to take care of everything. Thank you.
Thank you, God, for giving me such wonderful life.
I am very thankful for having good health and good life and good bones. I am thankful for having a good family.
I am thankful to God whatever He has given me and what I have in the present time.
I am thankful to work here. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm thankful for God, the beautiful world, my colleagues, our beautiful day, this day. Thank God.
Thank you. I'm passing the mic here.
Last year.
I'm thankful to the God for His blessings on me.
I'm thankful to the God for this wonderful life. We spend time with kindergarten students and it is really very good for all of us. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God to give me which I desire and which I want. Thank you so much.
You can be seated also, it's okay.
I'm thankful to God that I feel healthy and for each and everything which I am having with His blessings. I'm very thankful to God to have a very lovely family.
I'm thankful to God to have children who makes me happy.
I thank you to God for making me a teacher.
I'm thankful to God for giving me a beautiful life and each and everything.
I am thankful to God to give me everything and a wonderful my leader.
I am thankful to God everything in my life and my teacher job also.
Let's be specific, name one thing.
I am thankful to God for giving me everything and this wonderful life and a good job.
I am thankful to God for giving me a good family and I am also a part of this world. I am very thankful to God for this. I'm thankful to God for my positive attitude that whenever I have challenges, so I have a plan B, C, D with me. So thank you God for this day.
I'm thankful to God I'm alive and I'm healthy and I have so many skills.
Thankful my life and God. Thank you, ma'am. And I have job. Thank you so much.
Thank you, God, my good.
I'm thankful for good health.
Thank you, God, for giving me love and take care of my parents. And I am a part of KNPS and give me 2 daughters.
I'm thankful to have a wonderful family who support in all the situations in my life. Thank you.
So I would like to thank to God for creating this wonderful world and blessing me with wonderful family.
I am thankful for God for very caring family. Thank you.
Thankful for having supporting and wonderful parents.
I'm thankful to my teachers for giving me education.
I'm thankful to God for giving me wonderful grandparents and parents.
I'm thankful for having each and everything in my life.
I'm thankful to God for giving me the second opportunity to work with enthusiasm and zeal.
मुझे तूने मालिक बहुत कुछ दिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है, तेरा शुक्रिया है.
I'm thankful to God for healthy life, healthy body, and a good job. Thank you.
I want to thank God for providing such a beautiful life to me and such a beautiful persons around me. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God to incarnating me as a human being.
I'm thankful to God that I born in India, especially in Punjab. गुरुओं के दिन मेरा जन्म हुआ है, इसलिए मैं am very grateful to God.
I am thankful to God for giving such a wonderful life and such a cooperative persons which every day surrounds me. Thank you.
I am thankful to Almighty for giving me, blessing me with good parents who have embedded me with good values. That is more important in today's world. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God for getting my biolab again in every school. I want to sit in that because I want to study. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God for blessing me with the best parents I'm having and making me an independent personality.
I'm thankful to God for this wonderful life and wonderful family.
मेरा आपकी कृपा से हर काम हो रहा है, करते हो तुम कन्हैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है. तो थैंक यू मैम, और इतना अच्छा सपोर्ट करने के लिए, हमेशा मेरे साथ रहने के लिए, इतना अच्छा स्टाफ देने के लिए और मेरी फैमिली को.
Yes, I wish to extend my thankful gratitude towards God and for providing me a wonderful and supporting family. And for my teachers and parents जिनकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पहुँच पाई हूँ. एक बहुत छोटी सी जगह से निकल के यहाँ तक पहुँचना मेरे लिए बहुत, मैं अपने आप में गर्व महसूस करती हूँ, जो कि मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स की वजह से मिला है. And really thankful for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, God, for the best and the supportive parents that I have.
Thanks God for giving me such a lovely family and giving me the strength to beat the odds.
God for the wonderful family who always supports me.
I am grateful to God for each and everything in my life.
Thank you for my parents who gave birth. Thank you. So I'm thankful to God for everything that's there in my life. Each and every person teaches me everything, and I'm really learning so much. And being a part of this institution is also a second chance for me. Thank you very much.
I'm thankful to God for giving me such a wonderful family who always keep on motivating me.
I'm thankful to God for providing me each and everything that I need.
Thank you to God for such a wonderful life and such a wonderful family.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukriti, and I always thank God for giving me great grandparents. I'm here just because of them, and because of them they make me eligible that I'm here and I can change the future of the children. And I always thank God for giving me such great grandparents, and I'm here. And hopefully you always are here to help me out, and I'm here to learn very much and learn many things from you. And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God for giving me such a obedient children.
Thank you, God, for giving me each and everything in my life. Thank you so much.
I'm thankful for everything, especially these warm clothes in such cold weather. I'm very thankful for God for giving me everything which I had and I have. Thank you so much.
I'm thankful to God as well as you too, ma'am, for giving me a chance to do work here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to God for this wonderful life and my positive attitude, and of course my dear and loving family. Thank you.
Thank you, God, for giving me such wonderful people around me, whether it be family or my profession, because they are helping me to learn something new every day.
Thank you for this wonderful session.
We make a mutual admiration club. He admires me, I admire. Happiness prevails. I thanked you initially, right? For the mic. Go ahead, please.
I'm thankful to God for providing me strength and vision to overcome the challenges which life gives me every day. Thank you.
I'm thankful to God for giving me such supportive parents and supportive partner. And I also thankful to the KNPS family, so I'm being a part of this family.
I'm thankful to God for such a wonderful life with everyone and especially with my daughters. Thank you.
I'm thankful to the universe who created such beautiful souls that were with me, that are with me, and that will be hereafter till the journey is continued.
I'm thankful to God for everything which I achieve in my life.
Each thick and thin and helping himself in one or the other form, and then I feel so happy, so blessed that God is around me. Everybody around me is just a part of God only. Thank you.
Expressing gratitude and being thankful and being loud about it is very nice. There are some people who would say, "Thank you, Babaji, light up." We do that, right? Thank you, bachche time se kar. Right? There are so many reasons where parents keep thanking. Aaj khana kha ke maza aa gaya. Thank you, God, for such a nice food. But at least we have a habit. Some of us have a habit of doing it. Thank you, chalta rehta hai. And what do we tell our children? Thank you nahi bola aapne. The parents aapne thank you nahi bola. Uncle ne aapko gift diya, thank you nahi bola. So expressing it is very, very important. When we are thankful to Lord, thankful to friends, thankful to family, we should express our gratitude towards them. Alright? What does it mean to have an aptitude for gratitude? Who's who's going to tell me? What does it mean to have an aptitude for gratitude? The science department comes in. Aptitude to any science का science league. What does that mean? He's taken fine arts, but he can't hold a brush. Aptitude to hai. And then a child gets up and she complains, I was always interested in psychology. My parents said you have to become an engineer. And because of them, I have joined engineering college. And because of them, they put me in the hostel and they've spent so many lakhs of rupees for me. But my heart still lies in the psychology. That was an aptitude. And she went to a teacher and she said, what can I do now? And the teacher said, your parents have taken the right decision for you. Be thankful to them that they put you in a college for a degree course and they put so much of money in it. But who stops you from going in for psychology? Finish your engineering and go in for your degree of psychology. There lies the attitude and the aptitude which is required to live this life happily. Alright? So, then again another case. The tentage is put in, the marriage palace is set right, everything is there. There comes a massive rain and it blows off everything. And there would be some people who would say, एक कुड़ी ही माड़े शगना वाली है ये दाना भाग्य खराब है जिस कर जाओगे नहीं नहीं पैणगी no, they would say that. But then there would be somebody else who would have a different attitude, different thought for this. They would say, चल ठीक है नहीं रिजल्ट आगे खत्म हो गया ना, now let's have the wedding. Happy. So we can't go on grumbling. We can't be grumbling people as such. फटाक से attitude change करो ऐसा हो गया ना अब ऐसा कर लेते. Somebody said plan A, B, C is ready with me. So our plan should be there always with us. So there's one word which is aptitude and there's another word which is attitude. And we're talking about aptitude. Do I have an aptitude to be grateful? That's what the $1 million question is. Can anybody say a line or two on this? Kaun bolega? Who can elaborate? Yes, I need somebody to help me with the mic, please. Koi number nahi.
Actually, ma'am, I was reading about Manmohan Singh, that our Prime Minister. He said, it was asked from him that why he wears this light blue turban. So he has given two answers. One is it is his favorite color. And second, he said it is his alma mater's color because he studied from Cambridge University and it was light blue color. So that is why throughout his life he has worn this turban. So I think this is that aptitude for gratitude and he was thankful for that life that he has passed over there. I have read plenty of things but by this sharing this is one of them
which you felt was very good. Who would like to say something more on it? Attitude towards gratitude.
Ma'am, I just want to give thanks because this school provides number of activities to the students to nourish themselves in science. For example, Manak Inspire Awards. So lot of learning also happens there. Then CBSE science projects are there and one of the latest Vanshika has went to join the National Children's Science Congress and the last 2 months they were very crucial for me because number of times she had said that no, I am not going there. But with a lot of hard work of Charu ma'am, respected Manjinder ma'am also, respected Amrita ma'am also and other science faculty members who continuously keep on motivating her and even Monica ma'am, she especially visited her home, talked to their parents and then a special thanks to Neha Palla ma'am, she has accompanied Vanshika and today the journey has begun with the inauguration of that 31st Children's Science Congress. So I have a gratitude to all my dear colleagues and even to the family members of Vanshika that they took this step forward and they went to Bhopal. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Ma'am,
much.
especially thanks for you because it is, I think so, your idea which developed such creativity in the students. Thank you.
That's all basic. So that's type of aptitude. So they don't have some negativity is always there, whatever you do for them.
So this for both big and small things, Oxford University. Oxford Dictionary. So the aptitude for gratitude, making a habit to express thankfulness. You have to make it a habit. Alright? And appreciate in all parts of your life. छोटे बड़े जितने भी बड़े हो जाएं, all parts of your life on a regular basis. सुबह दोपहर शाम, thankful for both big and small things alike. Means everything which is there, you should be thankful for it. Any time of the day, any part of your life, big things, small things, you have to be thankful. That is the aptitude for gratitude. If you can do it, it will be wonderful. You just need to practice it. If you practice it, you will be able to do it. But if you don't practice, but let's change our lives. Lives for the good. We hit the bed, we sleep. क्योंकि we are full of gratitude. हमारी नींद क्या बिगाड़ेगी भाई? मतलब घंटे नींद नहीं आती, गोली ना खावा तो सो नहीं पाए. फिर दिन भर करो, ठका चुगली मुगली. फिर कहाँ से नींद आएगी? इन्हें सेट करना है तो लटका दवांगे. ये बोल के देखो कुछ है ही नहीं अच्छा यहाँ, फिर क्या आएगा? वो स्कूल में देखो, स्कूल में कितना अच्छा है. ये तो फिर गलत हो गया ना. कहाँ गया ग्रैटिट्यूड? आज वो ग्रैटिट्यूड सीखना है, so that we have peace of mind and we start appreciating each other, fullness of life. Then what we have becomes more important than what we do not have. Thank God we got an ATL lab where we could sit together. Thank God we have got a small little auditorium. बड़ा होना चाहिए भाव होएगा. So we have to be thankful and we become thankful for what we have. हमें जो नहीं है उसकी चिंता ही नहीं होती है. That's what is required now to live our lives happily. I go back. Making a habit. Habit का जिक्र आया. And what is this habit? सुबह उठना है. First thing I do is to wear my shoes or wear my chappals and go to the washroom and brush my teeth. Habit. कोई नहीं कहता कि करो. अब जाते हैं करते हैं. These are habits. Alright? Some of us will say कि मैं उठ के ना माँ बाप के चरण छूता हूँ. That's a habit. कोई नहीं कहता. उसके बाद मुझे ना मैं तो खाना ही नहीं खा सकती नहाए बगैर. Somebody would say. And there would be someone who said सुबह उठते जल्दी जाते मंदिर में जब तक माथा नहीं लेके आए ना जब तक मैं स्कूल नहीं आ सकती. There are some of us like that. It's a habit. Now what is a habit is what we need to understand. अपने अपने मन में सोचो habit को define करो. So who's going to define habit for me? चलो भाई माइक लेके चलो भाई. Who's going to define? क्या होगा on regular basis without putting in a word, right? That's perfect answer.
For smiling.
Yeah, that's the best thing. Reason to come to the school, we have reason to go back, and we have reasons to be with the family, and we will be happy with them. So it's good that we are working, and it's a habit now. इतने बच्चे जल्दी से करो, निकल जाओ, बस निकल जाओ. करमजीत मैडम ने शुरू जाता है. All this happens. Bell baj gayi, bell. Responsibility. Who else will tell me about some other habit? Yes. Go ahead.
Part of a day when I feed my birds. So every morning I have to get up either summer or winter at 6 because they wait for me. If I don't go out, so they, I don't know how they do it, but with their beak, they just knock my AC that, madam, please come out and feed us. So that is the best habit I could, enjoy. The way they show their gratitude when they eat whatever I serve them.
That's so nice.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes they sit on my shoulder also. That is the love which I get it from them.
Okay. That's wonderful. Nice to hear this part of your life.
I wake up 5:30. It's my habit.
Okay.
Yes. Regularly I wake up at 4 a.m. Otherwise I wake up at 5:30.
So your body clock is tuned to 2 times.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Either thank you, either thank you, either thank you. And that's part of the life. So we have to develop this expressing gratitude as a part, as a habit. Having a habit of noticing good things and feeling thankful for them is what we mean by having an attitude of gratitude.
Togetherness or
Students, mentors, peers, personal growth. For community, we have neighbors, local business, community events, and volunteers. To school, it's classmates, school staff, and teachers, and education. For colleagues, we have patience, understanding, and leadership, and collaboration, teamwork. Thank you.
Very important role for the overall growth. It prevents and gives a positive environment and very peaceful environment where everybody can learn positively and live happily.
So if we show gratitude among our colleagues, it can reduce workplace stress, and another, it can help in professional growth, and it promotes empathy between us.
Then if there is gratitude among the students, then it helps in developing the teamwork, and there is skills development, and then there will be lesser conflicts amongst them.
In case of community, gratitude fosters cooperation, positive attitude, productivity, enhanced relationships, emotion. Very good.
Students, there should be performance, motivation, learning, increase habits, and there should be a courage for them. Gratitude for colleagues, foster respect, collaboration, understanding, quality work, sport.
For love and affection. And there would never ever be in future Ukraine, Russia, or Orleans in USA, or Afghanistan, or India, China, Palestine. So all these things would not be there. Thank you.
And affectionate behavior.
For students, moral values, overall development, positive attitude, appreciation.
For colleagues, understanding, healthy environment, motivated environment.
Gratitude among students will lead to good moral values, overall development, positive attitude, and appreciating behavior.
Thanks, ma'am. In a rhyming form, we have framed out: a thankful heart sparks teamwork's glow. In a shared respect, together we grow.
For students, it will develop their mental health, physical health, better learning, moral values like respect, kindness, gratitude inspires young minds to soar nurturing values that last evermore.
A culture we weave, a place of kindness where everybody achieve.
Community, we uplift, support, spread kindness, which fosters peace and support.
Positive relationship develops among colleagues. They have mutual respect for each other, and this reduces stress among them, and they also boost the morale of the colleagues. They enhance collaboration also, and for community, increase mental and emotional health is there. Build trust and unity among the community members. Promote healthy relationships. And for school, everyone who is working in the school works in a better manner. Mutual respect develops among colleagues, as well as for the students also. The student they start giving respect to teachers, and better learning outcomes will be seen in future. And there is a stronger relationship between students, teachers, as well as their peer groups. And for students also, so here very good rapport develops among the peer groups, and by this they can solve their problems. They learn a lot because peer learning is very much efficient, and this improves the performance later on. And the students, they also have moral values. They have mutual respect for teachers as well as students. Thank you.
Or from the heart, it's an inborn or emotional feeling, okay? So we have made a 4 domain as far as the ma'am has told us. So from the heart, when we are giving the gratitude from the heart, it's a community. Community starts with the family. I think the first the family is one from where we learn that to give the gratitude and to learn the gratitude feeling. And if we are giving the gratitude, we are giving thanks to God for everything from the morning prayer. When we wake up till the night, when we go to the bed, we say thanks to God for everything, and our kids learn from us, and everybody learn in the family, and then its flow charts go to the community. And I think now the next will be discussed with the other man. This one, please. Thank you.
When gratitude is there, when teamwork is possible, chances of disputes will be less, and we are able to grow more and learn more with each other. The patience, affection, love, and empathy. Thank you, ma'am.
We enjoy childhood each day, spreading happiness, enthusiasm, their energy, love, and affection.
We should feel gratitude towards our school because it is our benefactor.
Gratitude for our colleagues. We should show our togetherness and share the ideas, and of course there is a teamwork. Gratitude towards the community. It will enhance the sharing and caring in the society, which will also improve the coordination and cooperation as well, which will create the environment that will be more peaceful and positive. Thank you.
Missed clicking the English practical exam photograph. I actually forgot. So thankful to her, she reminded, so that we planned it on set.
So there, raise your hand, you want to give a compliment to somebody. Don't miss an opportunity, put up.
मैं तनुजा मैम को थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी। मैम जब से मैं आई हूँ, मतलब एक मुझे कभी लगा ही नहीं कि मैं नई जगह पे आई हूँ। हर टाइम एवरी टाइम उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया, छोटी से छोटी क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाने से लेकर 10th क्लास के सिलेबस तक, मतलब हर चीज़ के लिए उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया है। सो शी इज़ अ वंडरफुल HOD. इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
Yeah, it is a compliment. Who else would like to give a compliment?
She is really the person who never said no. Because during the result days, I have seen any teacher sending her message any time. मतलब अगर result sheet रात के 10 बजे भी गया ना, तो message यही आएगा, हाँ जी मैं बस आ रही हूँ. So it's never that no. Either in the morning or whenever each teacher, no matter which floor, no matter TGT, no. असल काम है, आज कोई ना हो जाए 2 मिनट.
Thank you.
ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है और हमेशा ये सबको इकट्ठे लेके चलते हैं. ये नहीं कि सेपरेटली कुछ भी कर लिया, और हमेशा मतलब कि अगर कुछ रह जाता है तो हमेशा कोऑपरेट करते हैं एवरी टाइम. एंड वन मोर पर्सन इज देयर मैम, स्पेशली तनु मैम. सेम जो सुप्रीत मैम ने कहा, कभी मना नहीं करते. हमेशा आप किसी भी टाइम इनको कॉल कर लीजिए. मैंने सम टाइम तो मैंने शराब को भी किया है, कभी मना नहीं किया. शी इज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन.
Yeah, I agree with you because I get feedback on Teams, right? And Meenakshi would say, ID बनानी थी student की crowd गलत हो गई थी, फिर तनु मैडम ने solve it. It comes to me from all quarters, you know. That's thank you.
And last but not least, मैम आपको सबसे बड़ा थैंक यू, क्योंकि मेरे को, मैं सच बताऊं, मुझे कंप्यूटर का तो फोबिया ही समझ लो. मतलब कि मेरे लिए कंप्यूटर पता नहीं क्या है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ मैम ने कोविड टाइम में जो मतलब कि हमें पुश किया कि नहीं आप लोगों ने ऐसे अपने लेक्चर्स रेडी करने हैं, ऐसे क्लास लेनी है. तो मतलब कि मैं अब अपने लेक्चर मेरे खुद से बनाए हुए हैं, तो वो मैं बच्चों को शो करती हूँ तो उनको